Let's see what happens. Hey guys, Carlos Samaniego, coming to you live. Haven't been live here for a few. Let's talk about unfiled tax returns and what happens when you don't file your tax returns. Today is Wednesday or Thursday afternoon, 4/18, a few days after tax filing season, and hopefully you caught my interview on Fox News talking about the big tax day. If you haven't caught that, you can catch it on my YouTube channel. But today I wanted to talk about unfiled tax returns. Specifically, the client I had this client actually, they retained us almost a couple of years ago. And person was a non-filer, had a balance due. And over the last couple of years, we were really pushing them, got to get your tax returns filed. Got to get your tax returns filed. I wrote an entire email about this. Is just we kept on nudging them. You know what? If you don't file your tax returns, you're going to get assigned an IRS revenue officer eventually. And, a lot of us know the IRS really wasn't collecting the last 4 years, hasn't really attempted any major collection efforts the last few years here. But they are back to work. I mean, really back to work. And I got a summary of contact for this client. He was assigned a revenue officer. And basically, it was a summons to show up in June with all his records, such as W-2s, bank statements, financial forms filled out, copies of retirement accounts, a list of all his assets. They're going to do a deep dive financially on this person because he hasn't filed his tax returns, and they're going to make him file a tax return. So what could have been resolved pretty easily by filing the tax returns and then coming up with some type of resolution for the past due taxes that were going to be owed, now has become a nightmare. Dealing with an IRS revenue officer is not fun whatsoever. One, it's not fun. They're going to ask for everything, which they already asked for him to show up with all this information. Two, you're under the gun to get those tax returns done as fast as possible. Three, it's going to cost more because whether you're hiring our firm or another firm, they're going to charge you more because now they're dealing with these IRS revenue officers. So this email is just to let you know, if you have not filed returns or you have missing tax returns, get them filed. Now is not the time to delay anymore. You have to get those tax returns filed. What I'd like to do is offer you, if you haven't gotten my free book, go to taxdebtbook.com, pick up my free book. I talk about this process in my free book. Let me see if I got a copy of it. I do. This is the book. You're going to get an electronic copy of my book, How to Make the IRS an Offer They Can't Refuse. So if you haven't gotten that book, get this book. You'll also get on my email list where I give updates on what's happening, stories, success stories, scary stories of what's happening with people with IRS issues. And if you know that you need to get those tax returns done right now, and again, you don't want to wait and want some advice in regards to that, book an appointment. Call taxea.com. That's my direct appointment line to book an appointment. Or if you don't like using the internet for whatever reason, feel free to call our office. We answer the phone 24 hours a day, 909-570-1103. Bottom line, if you haven't filed your tax returns, especially years of tax returns, now is not time to delay. Don't procrastinate. Get the tax returns done. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. I'm here to help you guys, me or Liz. And we are looking forward to helping with you guys. Take care. Bye-bye for now.